When is the perfect time to start preparing for your next speech? I would recommend right now. Now, I don't mean that you've got to sit down, roll up your sleeves, and start typing away and do 20-page draft after 20-page draft. No one's that disciplined to start the second they hear about the opportunity to speak. But that's not the important thing. I'm not worried about you typing things out word for word. What I'm interested in is you developing the most interesting ideas on this topic that you want to convey to this audience. It will be interesting to them. And what I have found in my own experience and with my clients is just letting things bounce around your brain, sleeping on them, thinking about it in the shower will help you. It will help refine your ideas. It only takes one really interesting idea to make any speech come alive and be memorable and be great. On the other hand, you can write, rewrite a speech, change the font 20,000 times, have 50 people edit and review it. If there's no interesting idea in it, chances are the speech is going to be instantly forgotten. So don't put pressure on yourself to actually sit down and start typing and sit down and start creating PowerPoint slides. You can put off some time on that, but do think about what are the most important ideas, interesting ideas you can convey, and start just jotting down some notes. Piece of paper, on your cell phone, whatever is good for you. I'm T.J. Walker. I teach people how to communicate more effectively. If you'd like to improve your own presentations or media skills, give me a call or go to my website, mediatrainingworldwide.com.